NA.
Getting Things Done, by David Allen, outlines the ways in which we can plan and execute our projects more effectively, and achieve better outcomes, all while living your life. This video will outline the key points in just a few minutes. When planning a project, it is necessary to take some key steps. The first is to define the project. When in this stage, you should be very clear about the purpose of the project and the underlying principles you are evoking to ensure it is a success. Why do you want this outcome? What reasoning do you have for believing this method will achieve it? The second stage, clarification, is to envision all possible outcomes and understand which one you want. Creating goals requires imagination. Ideas come more from imagination than knowledge, so this skill is crucial to cultivate alongside continuing to learn. When planning out your project steps, brainstorm ways to connect them together. What methods and workflows will be needed in each instance? Prepare to be dynamic, and organize your lists by where and how you can accomplish certain actions. The final stage is to identify the next thing to be done. When choosing what should happen first, consider the 2-minute rule. If something can be done in 2 minutes, you should do it at the first opportunity. Clearing the flood of small tasks is necessary to allow focus on larger tasks. Identifying the end goal and prioritizing tasks are two tips which are common theme among self-help and business strategy books we have covered in this series. How can we improve our workflow and achieve goals faster? When researching and developing ideas and methods, it is necessary to collect, or capture, as much as you can. If it grabs your attention, take it in and make notes of it for easy access later. Consider everything for its value addition. Either your idea generation or your workflow should be improved. Being able to read and take in information quickly is a key skill for this stage. Don't limit your learning, and engage with many topics. Learn to skim, extract information, and take notes which will help your brain form stronger links. Doing this will help you to process the value of information and ideas faster as well. Make sure you have an organized system for taking notes, either on paper or online. Look into systems for keeping information which you can easily access and return to later. After all the ideas and choices have been brainstormed and organized, review them and make final choices about which options to pursue. Then, pursue those activities in order of priority. When prioritizing, consider relative time and input against value created. Finally, keep your tasks under control. As your lists of tasks and ideas grow and shrink, make sure your workspace, and your mind, are free of clutter. Embrace organizing everything, time included, and the benefits of this will feed back into the rest of your life. Projects are often daunting and complex. Treat them as imagination and organization exercises, and chances to learn. These techniques will improve your brain in a number of important ways.
NA.